The World Health Organization sends another warning to the markets. They say the way in which COVID-19 is developing at currently is in a new and dangerous phase, the acceleration of cases. And remember, I did a blog on this last week, and it was the WHO warning how, yes, we've seen cases dropping in Europe, but they're rising still globally at some pace, in Brazil. And real worrying thing for the markets, particularly is the United States. These cases are rising quite drastically in Florida and a lot of places in the US, a lot. And it just shows that there really are signs, unfortunately, of a second wave. And I don't like to dwell on this and talk about it so much, but it's just that we have to for the time being, because the markets are starting to pay attention to this again. FX at the moment, not so much stocks really. Stocks again a little bit choppy. But more so FX. We can see those flows, as I explained. The flows are coming back into the safe havens. FX, dollar, JPY. You can see the riskier FX are vulnerable, very vulnerable. AED, NZD, very dangerous up at those levels that they're at. They're vulnerable to coming all the way back down. GBP. Okay, remember GBP is always a currency, and when there's riskier times in the market, GBP is one that suffers, particularly with the added weight of Brexit. So you've got to keep this in your mind. And outside of that, the WHO stuff, this recent warning again that came, we've also got all of the geopolitical tension, right? Still North Korea, South Korea. We've got the potential ties being cut with US and China if China don't hurry up and start purchasing US goods. And then also there's still a little bit of uncertainty around China and India. And I believe I mentioned North Korea and South Korea. So there's a lot of risk right now on the table, and it's really going to start to take its toll on the markets. It really will. I can't remember the last time I've seen so much risk on the table. With me all my lifetime in this market, I can't remember how we've seen so much risk in this on the table right now. It's a lot of things going on. And as I say, it will start to take its toll on the markets. The stock market's completely disregarding a lot of this at the moment. It's in its own world, but it's gonna take its toll. So I think just be very wary of this. Rallies in the riskier FX, vulnerable to being sold. Any pullbacks, vulnerable to being sold. Any dips of weakness in the dollar and yen should be seen as opportunities in my view currently. So that's everything going on. Guys, look, that was just a quick update. Do not hesitate to check out freaknetwork.io for our membership. We do daily fundamental and technical analysis, making it go hand in hand. Stay lit. Let's get it.